Alright, what is up guys? Nanababa Kabalen, kamusta kayo po? For today's vlog, wala po tayo sa Pampanga because we were invited dito po sa Subic Zambales, particularly Manganbacan, and this is Hauslands launch dito po sa lugar na to. So right now, we have our VIPs dito sa likod dahil may nangyayaring presentation, and later on re-ribbon cutting na natin yung location dito para makapasok na tayo. Anyway, so I want a tour of the place. If you're interested to get a house dito po sa lugar na to, message lamang po kami. Let's go! Finally guys, nakapasok na tayo dito sa main community, and as far as I can see, meron tayong tatlong model house units that we're going to tour you in this vlog. Alright, so yun nga guys, habang binibless at ina-inaugurate yung mga model house natin dito, let me tell you about the place, no? So this is located sa may Manganbacan, Zambales, and from San Fernando, Pampanga, it's around 1.5 hours drive, so di naman siya ganun kalayuan. I think from SBMA, that is yung pinaka sentro ng Subic Metropolitan Authority, around 15 to 20 minutes, ganun kalayo. Guys, I intentionally excluded myself dun sa crowd, to really appreciate kung ano ba yung location natin dito sa Hauslands Subic, no? So if you notice, paiikot ko yung camera natin, this is actually surrounded by hills, no? So napakaganda sa mata, napaka-relaxing para sa akin, no guys. Ito yung parang mga pangarap na ano ko. These are my dream location kung saan ako magpapatayo ng mga bahay sa mga malapit sa mga bundok na to.
For Hausland Development Corporation, this is our first project under the brand of the Hauslands. As you know, that the Hauslands is located in Pampanga, but this will be the first in Subic. But this is also not our first from our business, the Hausland Group. As many of you know, that our affiliate, Fiesta Communities, has been developing several projects also in and around Subic and Zambales.
Alright, maraming salamat Serial Band for keeping our souls alive with your music. Ayan, alam ko sila rin po ang kumanta.
So pasok tayo sa Cedar, huwag na tayo papasok doon kasi may tao. I'm just gonna get inside and take a look. Tingnan natin. There you go. So this is the dining table and living area. Ayan. And then dito, oh, so this is actually divided, no? So this is the going to our service area sa likod, and this is another bed. And meron siyang sariling toilet. May sariling toilet. Okay, let's see. Let's go upstairs. Okay, so this is the first room dito sa taas. I believe there are 3 rooms. So this is the first one. So meron din siyang sariling comfort room. Let's go to the next. This is more of a parang you can convert it into kiddie room. Ayan. And then meron din siya sariling toilet and bath. So this is another room, which is, I think this is smallest room dito sa second floor. But still, meron siyang sariling comfort room. Cool. Yun guys, to know more about this, you can actually do a virtual tour. So go check out their fan page. We're gonna be including in this post in this caption. Make sure to message them, book a virtual tour if you want to know more about these houses.
Inviting everyone, come visit, check our sales office, check the Hauslands Subic model housing houses. This is the first of its kind that is defining what Subic, the future Subic city is gonna be. And when is the perfect time to do that? The perfect time to do that is now. We are only offering very few units, and we know na this housing unit is for you. Value for money, your investment. But over and above that, this is your home. This is what defines Subic and the Subic housing. So maraming salamat.
Alright, so I think this is the best place to close our vlog for today. I'm really happy and proud that kumbaga yung mga nagsimula ng mga brands sa Pampanga, hindi yung ting lumalabas ng Pampanga nagpapakilala, and they would still, you know, bring that Kapampangan pride wherever na sila'y makarating. So yan, congratulations to the Hauslands, entire family, Tan family. Yun, so if you like this video, if you are interested to know kung ano yung details sa mga bahay dito sa Mangan, Baka, Subic, Zambales, make sure to check out the fan page we're gonna be including. And yeah, thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.